Hello everyone, this is Jay, and today it's Friday, which is when I review my portfolio to see what's undervalued. What am I going to be purchasing today? So this week I have the deposit from last Friday because last Friday the stock market was closed. So I have about $200 worth of money in my brokerage account in cash money pretty much. So I definitely gonna be making some nice purchases today, and I also have the dividend from Bank of America, which I'm going to be putting into SCHD, of course. And let's go right into my dividend portfolio. And this is it. This is my portfolio. These are my holdings right here. Market value for my portfolio right now says $11,907, but I have $200 deposited into my account, so it's definitely over 12K, which is definitely awesome. And as you can see, I definitely have some positions in the red, which I like to buy first because they're under my cost. So definitely a lot of my positions I want to continue to DCA to them and bringing my cost down. So all realty income, I'm definitely gonna be buying today. It's still down. It's at $52.62. So definitely one that I still have an opportunity to continue to bring my cost per share, which is at $57. But one that I'm definitely excited to buy some more today, it is J&J. I have a few stocks that I'm definitely excited, but J&J is one of them. $152 in share price. So my position right now is in the negative by 4%, a little bit over 4%. I should be panicking, but definitely want to buy some more. Cost per share is $160. If we go to stock analysis, you see right here in the last day, it is down over 1%. In the last 5 days, down over 3%. It was almost at $160. So I've been buying every time it's under 160. And as you can see, market cap for this company, $367 billion. Look at that earnings per share. $13.72, and look at the PE ratio, 11.12. So I definitely see some undervaluation. Definitely got to do more research, right? You shouldn't just go by these two numbers, but the earnings per share is higher than the PE ratio. So that's definitely a nice sign right there. And another thing another reason why I wanna buy some more Johnson & Johnson, if we go into the dividends tab right here, dividend yield 3.12%, payout ratio only 34%. This company has been growing their dividends 62 years, so there's definitely makes you feel safe, right? Of course, you got to do your research, but it definitely makes you feel safe from growing their dividend for 62 years. They've definitely been paying their dividend for way longer than I've been alive. So but as you can see right here, if you look at the dividends in May, this is when they give their dividend increase. So we're definitely expecting a nice dividend increase. Let's see how much that dividend gets increased this May. So hopefully it is gonna be nice. I'm definitely excited about that. So I'm gonna be buying a little bit heavier today of Johnson & Johnson. As you can see, also in May 23 of 2022, they increased it to $1.13, and then in 2023 to $1.19. So let's see. Hopefully, if it's like another 6 cents, it should be around $1.25 per share. So that's definitely going to be nice. $1.25 per share per quarter. That's looking pretty good. So definitely Johnson & Johnson is one that I'm buying. Are you holding the Johnson & Johnson? And definitely buying some more at these prices, or are you holding? Maybe you're one of those investors that have bought Johnson & Johnson a long time ago. So the next one that I definitely want to buy some more, Vici, right here. Vici Properties. I'm sorry, I kind of like lost my train of thought. But Vici, 11 and a half shares, $29.26. I'm definitely going to be buying some more Vici. I've been bullish on this one. I've been buying on a weekly basis pretty much. So definitely excited, and I want to buy some more of this one. Do you hold Vici in your portfolio? Right now I'm down only 2%, but I want to bring my cost under $30 hopefully. Right now it's at $30.05. So I like my cost right now, but I'm definitely going to be buying some more. PFE Pfizer is another one that I'm going to be buying some more. Apple, I'm a 1.8 share. Right now, the share price is at $168. So I'm going to be buying a little bit more of Apple. Same thing with Visa. I'm going to be buying a little bit more of both. I like Apple at under $170 right now. So I want to continue buying some more Apple. I know I'm in the positive by 18%. My cost per share is $142, which is way under the share price that is at right now. But I definitely want to buy Apple for the long term, and I like this price right now. Leave me your opinion in the comment section. Are you also buying Apple at these prices? I like it. I like it at these prices. I want to continue building my position. I'm investing in Apple for the long term. I'm not investing in Apple for next quarter or the following quarter anytime this year. No, I want to hold Apple for a long time. I like their products. A lot of people like their products. I barely see when I'm at work. Almost everyone have an Apple iPhone. Like barely anyone's have any Androids or anything like that. So I definitely see some nice business with Apple. And another one that I'm definitely going to be buying is some more Cambio. Of course, my cup of coffee into Cambio. But one that I really want to continue building my position is Starbucks. Ticker symbol SBUX. Last video, I reviewed it. I went into stock analysis, reviewed their numbers. I'm at 3.3 shares, but look at the share price right now. $87.62. I'm in the negative right now, which I should be panicking. I should be panic selling right now, but I am not. I actually see this as a nice opportunity for me to continue building my Starbucks position right here. So I'm going to be buying some more today for sure. And then if we go into my weekly challenge, right? I'm going to show you my last buy of Procter & Gamble. I have a weekly challenge every month. I buy on every Monday. So I bought Procter & Gamble. Share price was at $160.25. This was my last buy for March. So I'm gonna be making my next challenge for April. And I started my challenge already, which it was on April 3rd. It was earlier this week. I believe it was on Wednesday. And I had chosen to do Starbucks, which before, when I chose Starbucks at the beginning of the week, or actually over the weekend, last weekend, it was around $90-something. But now that it went down on Wednesday, I definitely bought a little bit more. I had the $10 of my weekly challenge. So I'm going to be doing Starbucks. $89.30 I bought, $10. And today it is at $87.62. So I'm definitely excited. I'm going to be buying some more today on Friday. And then I'm going to be buying my weekly buy for the challenge on Monday. So definitely going to be buying some more. You're going to see the Starbucks position hopefully growing a little bit more. Hopefully I get to like 4 shares in the upcoming weeks, maybe even 5 hopefully, but I don't think I'll get to 5 because I'll need to put like a lot more money, and I like to put most of my money in my ETFs. But definitely excited. $87.62. I definitely see some undervaluation just in the share price, but you gotta do your research on their financials, on their revenue, which their revenue has been growing. My last video, I showed some of their numbers. Their shares outstanding. They've been buying back shares also, so they're not diluting the shareholder, which is definitely great. I believe in Starbucks long term. If you go to any Starbucks or you see any Starbucks when you drive by, you always see a line, right? Leave me your opinion in the comment section, right, of what you see when you pass by Starbucks. But every time I pass by Starbucks over here, like around my area, there's always a line. There's always people. When I travel, I always see people. Starbucks at the airports, I always see people. So buying and buying and buying. They have pretty much like a cult. I always see almost the same people at my job with a Starbucks drink, like almost every day, pretty much, or every day. I see some of my coworkers every day with a Starbucks drink. So definitely Starbucks is one that I'm excited to have added to the weekly challenge, and I'm going to be definitely buying some today as my regular purchases. $87.62. Hopefully they go down even more, so I can buy a little bit heavier into Starbucks. But I'm definitely excited. I really like Starbucks as a stock. They have some nice growth too. If we take a quick look right here, let's take a look in the stock analysis tab. As you guys can see, in the last 5 days it is down 4.5%. In the last month also almost 5%. So the share price is down right now. Analysts are calling this a buy. The PE ratio is still a little bit high at 23. The earnings per share is at 3.74. But I really like this company. Also, my mindset with this company, it is long term. I'm not investing in Starbucks for now. As you can see, the payout ratio 60%, 61%. So it's a little bit high. I'm sure a lot of people are panicking, but I definitely want to be buying some more. And as you can see, they did announce their next dividend, which is going to be 57 cents. Ex-dividend date is May 16, and the pay date is May 31st. So gonna be getting paid some more dividends on May 31st. So I definitely want to continue growing my position so I can get a larger dividend from them. All right, everyone, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, which continues to grow. I really appreciate everyone's support. Another one that I wanted to say thank you. It is BCUSAAUS 4749. I'm sorry I don't know how to pronounce this username, but for the $2.99, so I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Please don't forget to hit the like button to continue to help the channel grow, and I definitely appreciate all of the support. So I hope you guys put some of your opinions down there in the comment section so I can reply back this weekend, and I'll definitely see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.